Bless up, bless up, bless up, my people. Welcome to Asama Seat TV. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now, in this video, I just want to touch on, a couple of the topics where I really go on now in Jamaica here, where, a couple of female entertainers come out and say, some terrible things reach them at the point when them are coming at the industry and what them have to go through and all them kind of thing there. As well as some other females where come out of the closet, so to speak, and voice them lifestyle. Well, one young lady, a black male, she was about to get blackmail, and she said she go, you know, push it out there before whoever blackmail her do it. See? So the way me look at it is, I'll be honest, as far as the LGBT all them something there, me not like it. You understand? Me a old school Jamaican, and you know how we raise a certain way, right? Me not like it. But when it come down to it, everybody live them life according to how them want to live it. Right? The way me look is, if you have age, you make your own decisions as to what you want to do with your life, as long as it don't affect me. Right? As long as you not push it in my face or push it upon me, that are your life, you do what you want to do. Right? If the Bible is how the Bible say things will be, I for them judgment them have to go deal with when that time come. Right? All you do is you live your life. You live your life to the best of your ability. Don't worry about where the next person I do if it not bother you, affect you, hurt you. You understand? Make people live how them want to live, and you live how you want to live. Right? You're not a lawyer, judge, and a jury if you go tell nobody how to live them life. Me not like it. Me know enough people not like it. Enough people can't deal with it. But I know we, it's up to we. Nobody never make we no judge and no jury for everybody. Right? Now, these ladies were coming out and speaking. A whole heap of people are say them for shut up and whole news that and really. Yo, if something happened to you, if somebody did do something to you, and you finally, after 10, 15, 20 years, I say something about it, you want somebody to tell you, say, shut up and I hold something that, and bring that up now? You want to get that off of your chest. You know what kind of burden it is for holding something for all them the years there, and I live through them something there. Imagine, put your family member in it, say something that happened to you, one of your family member. Right? Your daughter, your sister, your mother, whoever. Brother, cause it happen to man too. Right? You want them to just shut up and keep quiet and just act like say it never happened. Right? You have to put yourself in a people's shoes. At least try. At least try. So may I say. So Jamaica on a whole, we have to start embrace people. Give them a chance. Me not say everybody I tell the truth. But you can't just condemn somebody. You don't know if it's true or a lie. You understand? You don't know. You have to take them word until you find out differently. Right? So, nothing wrong for just say, you give them a prayer or a good word or, stop with it. Shut up and all them something, them, man. Whole news something that, you know, I hear that, no, man, that wrong. That cold-hearted. Right? And as far as them female ever come out of the closet, Jamaica have way more serious problems than to worry about a woman I love or who a woman I go to bed with. Right? Jamaica have way more serious problem than that. You know what I say? The crime thing there in Jamaica is out of control. Right? That's out of control. I do a video before where I talk about the older man them with the young girl them. Right? Well, no, it's like say, oh, it's alright for one 60-year-old man there with one little 14 or 15-year-old girl. But We now make big thing if two grown women want to have a relationship. Me understand say how we grow up and not them way that we grow. But you can't, you can't tell me say two grown people which age of consent in Jamaica are 16 still, but me still I say, me more have a problem with them big old man here mess with them like a young girl. Yeah. For real. Me have a problem more with that than for worry about a woman I deal with another woman. Alright? What the woman them want to do with them life after them think that, brother. What we need to do is concentrate on making Jamaica better. Alright? As long as them know in a public and or carry on in a public and I go on X-rated in a public with certain things. Me not have no problem with that. Whatever them do behind closed doors, I feel them think that. If them come out in a public with it now, that's something different. You know what I mean? But as long as them respectful with it, me not have no problem with them. Do nothing out of my sight. Alright? Jamaica, we need to concentrate on the bigger things where I go on. So may I say, the crime, the amount of things where the government supposed to do, where the government not do. Right? This little girl here, Nzinga, them chop off the girl here, chop off her locks, and all know, nothing no come out of that. The person would do it, probably still sit down there and get paid, get a different job somewhere else and I get paid. Right? No kind of accountability. Nothing. That's what I say, we have to make noise. We Jamaican people have to make noise. But for the right thing them. For the right reason. Right? The crime. The flipping crime out of control. And the Prime Minister just attacked the other day how good of a job them a do. What good job them a do? What good job? People, we need to wake up, take back our country, come together, right? Organize, come together, take back our country. You understand? Because the way how me see things are go, everything have a big business. Everything we are going have a big business. And not for we the small people. Nothing not go on. Them not say no plans I make for the small people them. Nothing. Right? But we there worry about which woman asleep with which woman and wake up and open up an eye. See what go on. Right? Me tell you that at the least pay attention to what go on. Right you know people. The government to me them feel man. Them feel Jamaica. So me I say, them feel Jamaica. We, the people, have to come together and take things in our own hand and start build back our country. So me I say, we have to start build back our country. We have to start, I don't know, get organize and get some, what they call role model, for them like a youth here. Set up some different programs. Cause if we wait upon the government, this a country I go sell out and we not gonna have nothing. So me I say, we are gonna there look and I wonder what happened. See? So up to we for do what we have to do. Alright? Organize, come together and do what we have to do. Cause we can't just sit around and wait and it go from bad to worse. Every time you look it go from bad to worse. So me I say. So people, what we need for the people is put our head together, Them say great minds can do great things, So, if you know somebody where have this kind of interest for build back a country, direct them to this video, Put a comment in the comment box. Share this video to people where talk this kind of way, where have this kind of interest in our country. Right? Because I tell you, say, I know a whole heap of foreigners. You know, when I say foreigner, I mean Jamaican who live abroad. They want to come back to them country. You understand? Them have money for invest in them country. But to how Jamaica run, them afraid. Them afraid. Because all them are here, you know, this one I get robbed, that one I get robbed. And nothing now fix. You understand what I say? No situation now fix. You understand? So, Jamaica where them left, say them a go foreign, you know. I set them one set a life, you know. Enough of them, they come a foreign here. Not for live a foreign all them life, but for come and build a thing and build them country. But no, when them ready for come back, it's like saying a country not there for them for come back too. You understand? Or no proper country. You know? Now me not say Jamaica is still beautiful, you know. Jamaica have some nice people. So me I say, but to how things are run with what go on and them little idiot here where them just take over the place. So me I say, we have to take back with flipping country. We have to take it back. You understand? We can't make beautiful Jamaica go down the drain like that. We can't. It's up to we. It's up to we. So all that we have to pull together. You understand? Because the government look out for themselves. Them not look out for we. Right? Them not look out for we. So it's up to we to do our own thing. Right? Anyway, people, like I say, please like and share this video. Please subscribe and definitely leave a comment. Alright? Until the next video. Bless up.